The next sound which we are going to learn is EU. EU in French gives a sound, and remember, it is the open sound. Let us learn something more about the sound. So in French I have written COULEUR. Now you know we have learned OU gives U sound previously, and EU here gives A sound, and R will be pronounced because it fits in the rule CFLR. So hence we will pronounce it Coo. COU is Coo, L is L, and EU is A, and R is R. So cooler, cooler, which means color in English. Well, right now the meaning of these words are not so much important. We just have to focus on the sounds. The next is Jeuna. In French, J is pronounced as J. So EU here again it gives a sound. So it is jeune, jeune. E will be silent. So it is jeune, which means young. The next is VEUF. V is V, EU gives A sound, and F fits in CFLR rule, and hence F will be pronounced here. So it altogether gives woof, woof. It makes woof, which means widower. The next is NEUF, a kind of same which we did for VEUF. NEUF again will give nuff, nuff sound. NEUF, F will be pronounced because it fits CFLR rule. So nuff means 9. The next is VOLEUR. Here VOL will gives VO sound, EU gives A sound, and R will be pronounced. So total it gives voler. VO is VO, L is L, EU is A, R is R. So voler, which means thief. The last one is HEURE. Now remember, in French H is never pronounced. So H is always silent. So we will start from EURE, and EU gives A sound. So it is EU is A, R is R, E will not be pronounced. So which means hour in English.